today's unboxing, we're gonna get into this Boxy Luxe. Now I know you've probably seen everybody and their mom unbox this, but you haven't seen me unbox it, so bear with me because I want to see what I got. I did get an email from them saying one of the items that I requested that they did not put it in the box, so I'm gonna get that next month, and they gave me some points instead so that I could redeem them in their store for products. So I guess I kind of win. So I got a product I didn't ask for, the product I did ask for next month, and points. So you can't beat that. So anyway, so this is boxycharm, but this is boxyluxe. So this subscription comes every 3 months, but boxycharm is actually making changes just like Ipsy's doing. So let me read them to you because I want to make sure I got them right. Okay. So, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you're interested in signing up for boxycharm. I believe boxycharm was the first subscription I ever signed up for, so it's a great subscription. I like it. I'm very interested to see what the changes are, like what the boxes will look like. So anyway, here we go. Currently, boxycharm is $21 a month. Starting November 1st, it's going to change to go up to $25 a month. So if you sign up between now and I believe they said, was it the end of this month or the end of October? I can't remember. You have to check the website. But anyways, and you sign up, let's say for 3 months, 6 months, or a year subscription, then you can lock in right now the $21 a month price and save some money. So that's an option if you want to do that. I believe I do every 3 months. I'm not sure though. I have to go back and check. But either way, it's only going up $4 a month. You don't pay shipping, so that's not a big deal. And I'm going to tell you what's changing with it and why they're going up $4, which to me is worth it. So you get 4 to 5 full-size products in that box. Now, up until October 31st, the boxes will always be over $100 in value. Starting November 1st, when the price changes, your value will always be over $125. So you're paying $4 extra, but you're getting at least another $25 in values, and that's at least. So that's still a good deal, and you're getting your money back. So I like that. Now, this Boxy Luxe that I'm about to open, you do not have to sign up for that, but if you do, you have to at least have the boxycharm monthly subscription like I do. And what happens is you sign up, and every quarter, so like March, June, September, and December, instead of getting the boxycharm box, you'd get the Boxy Luxe. So you would pay $49.99 that month instead of the $21 or $25. The Boxy Luxe is currently $49.99, and it will stay $49.99. So that's not going to change. What you get in the Boxy Luxe is 8 products, and the products will be valued at over $250. So I currently have that where I get it every quarter. I've enjoyed it so far, but if you do not want to do that and you just want to stick to the monthly, just don't sign up for Boxy Luxe. You stick with the normal boxycharm. Okay, now November 1st, they're adding what's called boxycharm Premium, which is a subscription they have not had. And this one's going to be considered separate. So you are allowed to have the boxycharm and the boxycharm Premium at the same time if you like. So the boxycharm Premium will be $35 a month. You will get 6 to 7 products, and the value will always be over $175. So basically, you'll pay $10 extra, then the boxycharm box, you'll get an extra, looks like 2 products, and it'll be an extra $50 at least in worth of product in your box. So that one might be, I'm going to wait and see how it goes. I'm not going to sign up for that one just yet. But what I might end up doing is canceling my boxycharm and getting boxycharm Premium instead. And that way I don't get Boxy Luxe. And I don't know. We'll see. It might just average out. But if you do sign up right now using the link below, make sure to, when you go to checkout, it'll say apply like a discount or a coupon code. right now, if you sign up and you use code GETMYBECCA, which I will type in the description so you don't have to remember, you will get a free $39 gift from Becca, which is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. If you've never used a product from Becca, they're amazing. I use a brightening serum under my eyes. But yeah, so just for signing up, even if it's a month to month, right now, if you use that code GETMYBECCA, you'll get a free $39 product to go along with your box. Okay, so now that I've gone over everything, including the changes, let's get into my Boxy looks for this quarter. I can't wait. And I'm super excited that they messed up, I guess, because like I said, I got the product I didn't ask for, but I'm also gonna get the one I asked for and the point. So that's pretty good. All right, let me put this back on the, hold on. Having hell, this is a big box. This is what the box looks like, guys. Okay, so this one's bigger than the standard. The standard boxycharm is about half that size, but you're always gonna get full-size products. So this is the card that comes in it, and it tells me what the products are. So let's go through it, shall we? Now, there's a reason people love BoxyCharm, because I've noticed BoxyCharm tends to give you Tarte quite a bit. And I know a lot of women that love Tarte. Like, they are like Tarte fanatics. So here we go. On that note, this is the first product I got. So this is Tarte Park Avenue Princess Palette. So it retails for $45. So I got a $45 palette, and let's get this baby open. And this, yeah, Park Avenue Princess. It's really pretty packaging. It's very reflective, so I don't know if I'm blinding you right now. I'm using my back camera, so I can't see what I'm showing you. And this is what the palette looks like. Let me cover the mirror so I'm not blinding you. But that's really pretty. And then the mirror says chiseled like a diamond. Okay. And Tarte is not a cheap brand, guys. Like, they make very, their products are very good, well-made products, but you pay for them too. So it says, want to create the perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance? It's now easier than ever to bronze and glow with Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer, formulated to blend and build your perfect level of uniform bronze. Available in Tarte's signature Park Avenue Princess Radiant Bronze shade, the waterproof formula adds instant warmth and dimension across a variety of skin tones as Amazonian clay helps improve overall skin clarity, texture, and tone for an overall lit from within complexion. Okay, so that was a $45 bronzer palette from Tarte. And it's very heavy, so I mean, it's a nice palette. Okay. So the next thing, I really wanted this. I'm so excited that I got it. Okay, so here it is. So excited. You have no idea. Okay, so this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. The ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice. One of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes, infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. And this retails for $49, guys. $49. I'm so excited. And if you're watching, you're one of my subscribers, and you're like, is she putting in a giveaway? Sorry, guys. I've been wanting this so bad. So this one's not going in a giveaway. I do apologize, but if I get one in the future, I'll probably give it in a giveaway since I'll already have one. But y'all gotta let me have something too sometimes, right? Okay. So this is what the bottle looks like. And it's like a glass bottle. Looks like a pineapple. And I want to smell it. Yeah, that smells really good. So I can't wait to try this and review it for you guys. So this week I started reviewing some products and seeing how they work on me. And I'm going to be giving you some feedback on those. Some of them are makeup. Let's see. One of them is a moisturizer on my face. But yeah, I've been trying some stuff out because I want to be able to let you guys know how stuff is performing. But yeah, again, this is $49. So I'll put that to the side. Here's the next item. So this is by Dr. Brandt. And where is it? Okay, Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. A hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This baby is $52. Now, I do have a friend that is currently using this, and she's loving it, she says. She says it's amazing. So I can't wait to try this out. She says you just put it on your face and go to sleep, and that her redness has gone down. She likes it a lot. So I can't wait to try it. And I will review it and let you guys know. But yeah, that one, what did I say, was $52. Okay, then I got this in here by Hank and Henry, which I've never owned a Hank and Henry item at all. Let's see. So this is Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest edition of the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. And this retails for $20. Okay. Now this, I might put in a giveaway. I know I don't have a Hank and Henry, but it has a shaky noise. I don't use eyeliner very much. I usually do my eyeshadow as an eyeliner. And I know a lot of people love Hank and Henry, so I'd love to put it in a giveaway for somebody. Let me know in the comments below if you'd love a Hank and Henry eyeliner. So, a $20 one at that. All right, here's the next item. So, what are you? IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. This is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. And that was the easiest freaking description I ever had to read. The MSRP for this is $29. So that's what it looks like. And it says, you have dry, coarse, or frizzy hair, and you want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. How to get it, apply to damp or dry hair, air dry or blowout. So yeah, I have to try this out. I have, I would say dry hair, but it also gets frizzy like up here. So let's see how this baby works. And again, that was $29. Okay, so this is the item that I didn't choose, so I know what they're talking about now. Which I don't mind having, so I guess win-win. So this is a, I don't know how far back I need to be to show you guys. But this is the Sutra Beauty 32 millimeter 1 1/4 inch clipless curling iron with cool tip. Okay, so why do I have this? That's not my card. Where are you at? Okay, this clipless curling iron is the perfect tool for beach waves, Glam curls, soft or tight curls, or even ringlets. This top-of-the-line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and an infused titanium polished barrel. It retails for $65. So I just got a $65 curling iron that I didn't ask for, but they gave it to me, and then they're going to give me the product I did ask for. So yay for me. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Now I will say, for curling irons, even like when I was younger, do y'all used to remember getting the curly perms? It seems like those went out of style. I don't know anybody that gets those anymore, but my hair does not hold a curl. I don't know why. So I'm curious if that thing will work. I doubt it, because it just seems like my hair will be curly for about 10 minutes and then it just falls. It's just meant to be straight and frizzy right here. That's about it. Okay, so here's the next item. So here's Violet Voss, which a lot of people love Violet Voss, and this is another item I've never tried, so I'm excited about that. It says provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. This essential palette was designed for everyday use and a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. Okay, and this retails for $29. I can't wait to see it. So it's called Essentials. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. And I love this color right here. Terracotta. I love that color a lot. So tell me in the comments below what y'all think of this palette. Would y'all be able to do looks with it? Because I will for sure. I love it. But that terracotta is really like my favorite color in here. So, all right. Let's see. Is that everything? Nope. I got one last item. Oh, we got some Stella. Okay, so let's see. Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lip. Oh, this is a liquid lipstick? I thought that was going to be a lip liner. Okay, Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. The original Power Pout. Stella's award-winning full coverage creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, this lightweight formula softens lips so they can look and feel beautiful. And this retails for $22. The shade I got is Rubino. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Stella is an amazing brand. I've put it in giveaways probably about 2 or 3 times, and people always seem to get excited. Like, I can put so much stuff in the giveaway, and then as soon as I say Stella, they're super excited. So, ooh, I like that color. Love that color, especially for fall. That's gorgeous. Rubino, who knew? Okay guys, so that was my boxyluxe for this quarter. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really did. I think they did a great job this quarter. I think the last quarter I wasn't too impressed, so I feel like they stepped it up. I'm really excited to see what all the changes will be starting in November. I know the price will go up for my monthly, but so will the product value. So to me, that's still like it evens out and it'll be a win. And I'm interested to see some of the unboxings for the new box that they're coming out with. That's $35 a month. Don't forget, if you sign up, I'm going to put that code to type in so that you can get the free Becca product. And so anyways, don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!